Hey guys, another video from the Fox River Park here, different location, but I have this little brass shutter lock I picked up from a guy at work. Traded him a master lock for it. Couldn't really tell you a make on it. There's nothing marked. Doesn't even say made in China or anything. I do know it's from the late 60s, early 70s, because he bought it new then. It was an old fella. But I'm going to use a Peterson serrated wrench, flexible one. My pretty much go-to small lock wrench. Top of the keyway. And this is the Euro hook by Sparrows. Here's our keyway. And here's the bitting on the key itself. Nothing too extraordinary. Got a low 3 and a higher 4 pin. My friend Heidi's daughter Jaden is filming this one for us. Say hi, Jay.
Hi.
Okay. Oh, great. Well, we can have those in the video. I'm gonna start in the front. Nothing on 1, 2, 3. Okay, I guess we're gonna start in the back. Four is binding. Solid click on that. Kind of a half-hearted click out of 3. 2 is binding. 1. Ugh, come on. And we are open. Nice, quick, easy pick. Nice little lock though. I like it mostly because it's old and made of brass, you know. But that's going to be it for this video, but we will probably be shooting another one here shortly. That's it for today though.